Hi students, very good morning to all. Today I am going to explain the experiment related to the distance sensor using the Node MCU. The main aim of the experiment is to calculate the distance using the distance sensor and the Node MCU. We are going to perform this experiment by using the Workview platform, which is a open source platform to perform the different experiments related to the Node MCU as well as the Arduino UNO. So, coming to the Node MCU, which is a popular microcontroller due to its integrated capabilities of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities and high processing speed, and connecting to the sensor HCSR04, which is a ultrasound distance sensor, which will emit the high frequency sound waves and measures the time it takes for the reflected waves to return. Okay, and coming to the wiring connection, this you can see that this is the wiring diagram related to ESP32 and ultrasound sensor. And like this ultrasound sensor will have the four different pins. So VCC pin is connected to the 3-volt pin in the ESP32, and the trigger pin is connected to the pin number 5 in the ESP32, and the echo pin is connected to the pin number 18 in the ESP32, and the ground pin is connected to the ground pin in the ESP32. So I already mentioned that we are going to use the software Oakvi to perform this experiment, and connecting to the program here, the integer int t underscore p is equal to 5, which is like used uh, to mention that variable t underscore p is assigned to the pin number 18 is assigned to the pin number 8 5, and e underscore is p is specified that it is the pin number 18, and ss is equal to 0.034 is the it is related to the distance such a that the speed of the sound in centimeters per second, that is microseconds, that is 0.034, that is the speed of the sound we are going to use here, that is 0.034 centimeters per second. Okay, and coming to the this serial dot begin, which will initialize this microcontroller at the baud rate of 1,15,200, and we are going to use the pin mode, that is t underscore p, the like we're specifying that trigger pin as the output, and echo pin as the input, and we are using a loop to continuously repeatedly to perform the like this experiment distance measurement function repeatedly. For that, we are going to use the function void loop, and coming to the code digital write 2 underscore p comma low, to cleanly measure the distance. We are going to use the like here code t underscore p low, and we are going to use the digital write t underscore p such a way that the ultrasound sensor to trigger the sound wave. For that, we are going to use the t underscore p high, and we are going to use the to switch off after 10 microseconds. So it have to switch off the this particular sound wave. For that, we are going to use the code digital write t underscore p low, and after that we use the formula distance is equal to distance measurement by using the distance underscore centimeter, that is equal to duration multiplied with the that is the speed of the sound by 2. Okay, so the formula here what we use is the distance uh, in centimeters is equal to duration multiplied with the speed of the sound by 2. Already we specified the is speed of the sound, the starting of the code, and after measuring that no, duration, so the duration will be stored by the this particular code duration is equal to pulse in pulse e underscore p high, and once after the calculation of the distance, it will print this to the serial monitor by the code serial dot print and serial dot print ln, and like for 1 microsecond we can it will be we can like for 1 second it will display the value. Okay, For that we are using a delay 1000. Okay, so this is the description related to the program. Coming to the connections, now I will show the connection by using the Workly platform. Okay, so already I use my email ID to connect to the Workly. So here there will be different like no microcontroller boards will be there. I'm using the ESP32 microcontroller. So after selecting that, use the ESP32 template here in the starter templates. Okay, once you click that one, it will show the this type of work environment. Okay, it will have some default program here. Just delete that particular default program. So after that, we can use the different components. So you can add the different components by this add a new part, that is plus symbol here. Okay, and I want to add the distance sensor. You just type the distance sensor here. Okay, so click that HRSR04. Okay, if you want you can zoom in. Okay, and you can drag that components also. So now already I mentioned that this connect this pin. Okay, in the distance sensor, it is having the pin VCC, that is the ultrasonic sensor, like a VCC pin to the here in this program will have the ESP32 pin for 3 voltage pin. We are going to connect that particular one, and after that I am connecting this ground pin in the ultrasonic sensor to the ground pin over the ESP32. This one is the ground pin. Okay, connected to that particular one. So now after that I am connecting the trigger pin to the pin like here ESP35, and I am connecting the echo pin to the pin number 18 in this particular ESP32. So and after that you type the program. So already I typed my entire program here. So I'm using that. I am copying that program. I'm copying that program and I am pasting here. Okay. Okay. Now you can see that our program is copied and pasted here. And after that, use the here there is a simulation start. The simulation option button is there. You just press that button. Okay, like this. You can see that our sensor is going to measure the distance. You can see that the distance is 399.94. So to check the you to vary this distance measurement values. Okay, here you just click the distance sensor here by using your mouse. Okay, you can see that at the top there is a sliding bar is there, so it is related to the distance. So you can slide this slide bar related to the distance, then you can see that here the distance values are varying. So this is how you can measure the distance by using the Node MCU. Okay, ESP32. You can see here the sliding. Okay, like this. Okay, measure the distance by using the Node MCU ESP32. Hope all the students they learned this particular experiment. They understand this particular experiment. Thank you, my dear students.